and explore the amazing secrets of Misamis Oriental.
This piece is dedicated to all the people who don't know how beautiful they are. There are times when we question who we are, times when we no longer know our worth, times when we see ourselves as someone less, and when we look into the mirror, we see no strength. But this is what I will tell you. We will be broken before we are to be made. We will know pain before we will know our worth. But when we do, we will shine brighter than the stars itself. And I know that we do not need to conform to society's standards of beauty because society's standards is ever changing. And there is one thing that I know for sure. We all deserve the equal amount of respect, love, and kindness regardless of what we look like. You will then realize that self-worth and self-love comes from within you. You, and you. We are beautiful and we are worthy. Thank you.
Ayan, naiyak tuloy si Minchella.
Kaya ako hindi ko naintindihan eh. Dapat Tagalog translation.
Ito si Shella, hilig niyang pag-aralan ang astronomy. At in fact, meron siya sarili niyang telescope.
Sa bahay?
Mm.
Nice. Kakaiba
So,
yun,
mga heavenly bodies and planets, mga stars, alam niyang lahat. Napatunayan ni Paulo yan kahapon sa
sa
isang araw, sa
prejudging.
prejudging.
Ang ganda naman ng hobby ni Ella, kakaiba.
Diba?